Hello everyone, in this video today I am going to create a beautiful painting I saw on Pinterest. I'll be using watercolors and masking fluid for creating the white beautiful effect. So here we go. I created the pencil sketch and applied the basic colors and covered the paper with one tone of color like peach, brown and blue for water, and I used masking fluid wherever I wanted the paper to stay white. Now these are my watercolor cakes that I usually use. Sprayed them with water and they're good to go. We'll be just needing a few brushes. Whatever kind of brushes you have, you can pick them up. It's going to be a very simple technique that anyone can work and create with watercolors. So the very first step over here is to create the grading on the skin. So the basics light color has been already been added and dried up. The second layer comes with crimson and orange. Again, I'm adding a lot of water to this color so that it can spread easily and does not leave heavy patches over here. For creating the skin color again, the next color that I'll be using will be yellow ochre and medium yellow. Little bit of poster white I'll be using over here. So just the combination of these colors will give me a beautiful shade on the face. Now we have to keep in mind when we are creating the shades that the sides and the cheekbones are going to be little darker than the rest of the face. There will be little darker color under the eyes, around the nose, on the chin and on the sides of the face. So working with the combination of these colors, I'm creating the second layer and the final result will come after we complete the third step. The same colors are going for the neck also, keeping the area which is close to the chin darker and lighter on the center. Now this face is kind of emerging through water, coming up the water. So the body is submerged in water and we won't be able to see the rest of the body. The only part which is above the water is visible and that is what we are painting. Now going back to the third layer now, once the second layer is dried up, I am using a little bit of burnt umber over here. And this is the time when I'm using purer color like burnt umber, crimson, white, and highlighting the area on the sides of the nose, above the eye, a little bit on the forehead. The forehead will remain shiny, so the area which is close to the hairs will get the highlight. Similarly, the area again which is on the sides of the face will get the highlight. So using the purer form of the color, little thicker in pigment, burnt sienna, raw umber and crimson is going to give me the final result. So as you can see, the skin is already all prepped up. Now one fine liner will give a beautiful shape to the nose and highlights the eyebrow and the eyelashes. So I'm starting with the nose and I'm using raw amber again over here for creating the nostrils and the nose lobes, and again highlighting a little bit of that area around. Next, we are going to work on the lips. So as of now, I'm just using crimson for the lips and kind of giving it an outline, and then I'll be just working with water, cleaning the brush and using only water to create the light and the dark effect on the lips. Now same kind of layering effect I'm giving over here for the background also. So I've already masked the light blue areas and then I added one more layer of blue on top of this for creating the second layer of water. After this, the lips have been dried up far by now, and so we'll be enhancing the lips, giving them one more coat of color and just the same crimson red color will do its job over here. After this, we'll be giving a layer of black color for the hairs. This is the most easiest part because here we are not shading anything for the black part. It's just purely black color, and we're just creating those hairs. Then it is the time for creating the third shade of blue. That is going to be the final ultramarine layer. So now the final background will have three colors, three shades of blue. I also gave a little highlight with my black color so that it looks as if there are hairs, a lot of hairs under the water, and we get a kind of impression or the shadowed effect of that. Now working with the fine liner again, adding those fine details of hairs falling on the head and creating the eyebrows and the eye. Once that is done, it is time to do the wonder that was saved under the masking tape. So we just pull the masking tape or masking fluid up, and you will see how beautiful these white color bubbles have been saved. And see, this is the final effect. You will see the light blue bubbles over there, the white bubbles around, and such a pretty beautiful drawing has been created. So it was a very simple method. I believe everyone can try and work with watercolors and try to create this kind of effect. Simple shading on the face and just the work of masking fluid, and you don't have to do a lot of hard work over here. So I hope all of you would have enjoyed this video, and if you create this, if you recreate this, do share a final picture with me. And if you like this video, do subscribe my channel, give a like, and also leave a comment over here what you liked about the video or what you want me to create in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye this.